Hi everybody, today we are going to be talking about calculating the average atomic mass. And the average atomic mass for a given element is the average mass of all naturally occurring isotopes of that given element. And how do we calculate it? There are three main steps. First, we need to acquire information. We need to find out what the isotopes of a given element are and their mass numbers, which is the number of protons and neutrons. And we need to figure out how often these occur in nature, which is called the percent abundance or the percent of natural abundance. The second step is to multiply each isotope's mass number with the percent of natural abundance. And then we're going to add all of the products of step 2 for the average atomic mass. And we are about to go through a few examples with that. So our first example states that silicon has 3 stable isotopes: silicon 28, silicon 29, and silicon 30, and those numbers represent their mass number. Approximately 92% of all silicon is silicon 28, 6% of all silicon is silicon 29, and 2% is silicon 30. So now we are going to calculate the average atomic mass. So like I stated before, we are going to first multiply the 0.92 for 92% by 28. Then we are going to add 0.06 for the 6% by 29. And then we are going to add the 0.02 by 30. And once we multiply these out, we get over here 25.76. Over here we are going to get 1.74, and over here we are going to get 0.6, and we are going to add those up for a total of 28.1. That represents the atomic mass units. So the average atomic mass of silicon would be 28.1 atomic mass units. Our second example states that lithium has 2 isotopes found in nature. 92.4% of all lithium is lithium-7, and the average atomic mass of lithium is 6.94 atomic mass units. So the question wants to know what must be the other isotope of lithium. Now, although we only have 3 numbers here, we actually know 4. So we're going to have to work backwards. We're first going to multiply our percentage of lithium-7 by the number 7. And we are going to skip this part right here because we would like to know what the other isotope of lithium is. And we're going to set it equal to 6.94 for the atomic mass units. Now, like I said before, right now we have 3 numbers, but we actually know 4, which we can find out by taking this and subtracting it from 1, so we can get the percent that the other isotope occurs in nature, and we would get 0.076 times x. So we would like to solve for our x. And the first step we are going to take is that we are going to subtract this onto this side, and that will give us 0.76x equals 0.472. And once we divide by 0.076, we are going to get x equals 6.2. So that is going to give us the atomic mass of the other isotope of lithium. And if we wanted to write this in another notation, we could say 6/3 lithium. And if we wanted to write this one in another notation, we would have 7/3 lithium. So those will be our 2 naturally occurring isotopes of lithium. And our last example is very similar to example number 1. They're both really straightforward. we are going to multiply 24 by 0.787. Then we are going to add the product of 25 and 0.101. And then we are going to add 26 times our 0.112. This is going to give us 18.8 repeating plus 2.525 plus 2.912 for a total of 24.3 atomic mass units. That would be our average atomic mass for magnesium.